On this ABB robot controller IRC5, we are gonna restore the system using a backup on the USB memory. So let's go to ABB backup restore. We have a system failure and it's not gonna allow me to do a backup in this condition, so the only option we have is to do a restore. So we have on this on the compact flash device on the system, we have this backup from the December 23rd. So we're gonna look for the USB memory here, and we have this backup, and hit OK, and let's restore that. Let's restore this. So the backup we restore is from July the 24th. So now it's gonna reboot. Okay, so we have something on the hardware because we still have a system failure state, and as you see, it can be a large number of malfunctions, so that might be causing this alarm, system alarm failure 10,014. So we're gonna continue troubleshooting. Okay.